Okay, class 9. Today we are back again, and I'm back again to help you guys in some of the questions that you guys have to do today. I'll be helping you in some of the questions, and I'll be, not doing, I won't be able to do all the questions for you, but I'll be doing two or maybe three questions. Let's see how much it fits in this video. So, again, the topic is Pythagoras theorem. We'll be looking at 15th third part, 15th question, third part. Third part looked quite complicated to me, and they told us to find CD. Find CD. C से लेकर D तक हमें find करना है. मतलब this is the value I have to find, so I am keeping the value of this as x. ठीक है. Now, what my topic is Pythagoras theorem, and I know Pythagoras theorem very well. So I'll see two triangles जिसमें right angle triangle बन पा रहा है. ठीक है. So if you see a right angle triangle, two right angle triangle as we in triangle ADB. It's a right angle triangle. I hope you all agree with me with that. ADB. It's a right angle triangle. So Pythagoras hypotenuse का square is equals to BD का square, that is, or I'll just write it like that. AB का square equals to BD square plus AB square. Okay, and then AB. What's the value of AB? AB की value is 16 square, right? Equals to BD. What is the value of BD? BD is 12 plus x whole square plus AD. I don't know. Can you say 12 plus x? Why did I write 12 plus x? Because from here to there it's 12, and from here to there it's x. So what I'll be writing? 12 plus x. I hope you guys are able to understand why did I write 12 plus. Okay, let's see what else can be done in this. So if I multiply 16 into 16, what I'll be getting? 256 equals to, you know how to open up the brackets, right? So a plus b ka whole square is 12 ka square, that is 144 plus x ka square, right? Plus 24x. I hope you understood why did I write 24x plus 80 square. Now, if I shift everything on one side, what I will be getting? 256 minus 144 minus x square minus 24x equals to 80 square. 80 I don't know. So if I solve this and bring out in simple terms, what I will be writing is 112. So I will be writing minus x square minus 24x plus 112 equals to 80 square. Because if you solve this, then it's going to come 112. Baki sab maine as it is लिख दिया ABC. So this is equation 1 for me. This is which equation? Equation number 1 for me. Now let's see another triangle, right angle triangle. So I am looking in triangle ACD. This is also right angle triangle. You guys know that, right? ACD is a right angle triangle. So how can I write this? I can write 6 ka square is equals to x ka square plus 80 ka square. I think you won't mind this. So 6 6 are 36 equals to x square plus 80 ka square. Now x is going to go on that side. So 36 minus x square equals to 80 ka square. Equation 2. What do you see similar in equation 1 and 2? If you see something, please try to figure that out. Okay. So you can see that right hand side AD and AD both are same. Right hand side is same in both of this. So I'll say that right hand side same and left hand side is same. So I'll say left hand side will be equal to, okay. So minus x square minus 24x plus 112 equals to 36 minus x square. So you guys can see this minus x square and minus x square can get cancelled out. What is that? 24, and this is only left. So 112 minus 36 equals to 24x. So जिसके पास x था मैं उसके इस तरफ लाया, बाकी उसको उधर लेके आ गया और मैंने माइनस कर दिया. So when you subtract 36 by 112, what you'll be getting? You'll be getting so 112 minus 36, that is 12 minus 6 and then 0 is left, 10 70 76 over 24 equals to x. So when you cancel this out, you'll get 19 over 6. So x is equals to 19 over 6. This is your answer. You guys can also keep this in a mixed fraction, centimeter, because everything else, all the other lengths are given in centimeters, so this should be also in centimeter. Okay. Otherwise, you can leave it like this, or you can change it also into mixed fraction. That you very well know how to change this into mixed fraction. I hope you guys understood how we did this question. Okay. We didn't do anything extra in this question. We just figure out two right angles. Okay. And दोनों right angle को मैंने AD और AD का equal करके and then I said both the equations right hand side same है तो left hand side भी same होगा. That's what I did in this question. Okay, let's see another question. That is question number 16, B part. In this, I have to prove something. Proving is kind of becomes difficult for people who are not able to express, a word problem into a diagram. If you are able to express the word problem into a diagram, then it's going to be easy for you. So try, understanding the question and try converting it into the diagram. But this question already has a diagram, so which makes it easy for you guys. But what I have to prove, I have to prove that AB square equals to 4AD square minus 3AC square. I want you guys to try first this question if you guys are able to get that or not, okay? And this triangle, there are three things that I give up. That ABC is a right angle triangle and C. It's a right angle triangle, ABC, bigger triangle you can see. I'm not talking about the small one. Next is D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint. After you put a 10 in 5 8 5. This is what it is given. Okay? Okay. Let's see what I can do. I do see a right angle triangle. I'll be writing in triangle A, B, C. What can I write? I can write AB square equals to AC square plus I'm writing BC square. That's what I'll write. पर मैं BC की जगह अगर आप नोटिस करो ये लिख सकता हूं क्या BC की जगह 2DC लिख सकता हूं क्यों क्योंकि अगर ये DC है तो ये भी DC है because they both are equal so I am not writing BD BC I am just writing कि अगर ये DC है ये भी DC है अगर ये 10 है तो ये क्या है 10 अगर ये A है तो ये क्या है A अगर ये DC है तो ये क्या है DC you guys agree with me so कितने DC हो गए B से लेकर C तक कितने DC हो गए 2 DC so that's why I wrote 2 DC okay and then what's going to happen is AB square minus AC square equals to 4DC square because इसका स्क्वायर इनको 4 हो जाएगा DC का स्क्वायर होगा स्क्वायर हो जाएगा तो 4 नीचे आ जाएगा तो AB square minus AC square upon 4 equals to DC square इतना समझ आया आपको फर्स्ट मैंने कुछ नहीं किया मैंने बस BC की जगह 2DC लिख दिया और मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया और DC को क्या कर दिया लेकिन मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ DC नहीं चाहिए अगर मुझे जो प्रूव करना है उसमें DC नहीं है तो मैंने DC को अकेले एक तरफ छोड़ दिया तभी मैंने DC को उस तरफ छोड़ा और बाकी सब चीज पे लेके आ गया क्योंकि DC है ही नहीं यहाँ पे मुझे AB है वहाँ पे है AC है वहाँ पे DC नहीं है इसलिए मैंने उसको उधर ही छोड़ दिया बाकी सबको इधर लेके आ गया अच्छा दूसरा चीज देखते हैं हम क्या कर सकते हैं मुझे एक और ट्राइंगल दिख रहा है ये वाला ट्राइंगल अगर आपको दिखे तो मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ AD का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू DC का स्क्वायर प्लस AC का स्क्वायर इसको मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ AD का स्क्वायर माइनस AC का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू DC का स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन 2 व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व इन इक्वेशन 1 and 2 you guys tell me now what do you guys observe if we look at these two triangles one was ABC the other one was ABC what do you observe in these two triangles can you guys see that there is something that is equal this side right hand sides are equal if right hand sides are equal so left hand sides are also going to be equal so I am writing AB square minus AC square upon 4 will be equals to AD square minus AC square and then 4 is going to go on the top multiply with both of them and shift everything AB को एक तरफ छोड़ दो बाकी सबको एक तरफ लेके आ जाओ आपका वो आंसर आ गया try doing this on your own okay I won't solve it for you okay solve this equation, you'll get your answer. If you don't understand, go back in the video and try understanding again and again. Okay, let's have a look at this question. This is 92nd part. I thought it might be confusing for you, that's why I thought of doing this question for you guys, okay? Only for you guys. Okay, so it says some of the basic thing that is given to me, that is AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, parallel है, okay? और जो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में एक वो आती है, एक तो 90 डिग्री बना रहा है, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री है, तो अगर ये 90 डिग्री है, okay, I can draw a line here and it can be E. So if this is 7, this can be 7 too, और ये 10 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? टोटल 17 है, अगर ये 7 है, ये 10 है, तो टोटल 17 है, ठीक है? उन्होंने 17 दिया है, तो अगर ये 7 है तो ये भी 7 है. Now you guys can understand that this is also a right angle triangle because ये rectangle बन गया, opposite sides are equal. Right? So if I see in triangle, let's say this is E, okay, this is E. So let's see in triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, I just able to look in triangle ACE, this triangle. Okay, so I will be writing 25 plus square is equals to 7 plus square plus CE plus square. Right? That's what I will be writing. Then this is going to give me 625. Equals to 49 plus CE. Through this, which value I'll be getting? I'll be getting value of this CE. मुझे इसकी वैल्यू पूछना चाहते हैं. लेट्स से मेरा इसका आंसर आ गया. अब हमें क्या ढूंढना है? हमें ढूंढना है BC. अब मेरा जब ये आंसर आ गया, तो मैं कौन सा फॉर्मूला पुट कर दूंगा? BC का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू EB का स्क्वायर प्लस CE का स्क्वायर. BC मुझे ढूंढना है इक्वल्स टू EB कितना है? 10 है, 10 का स्क्वायर प्लस जो CE है ये ऊपर वाले से आ जाएगा जब आप 645 को 49 से माइनस करोगे और फिर इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालोगे तब इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. और जो वो आंसर आएगा आप गुणा रूट करना है, प्लस करके स्क्वायरिंग करके फिर आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. दैट्स हाउ यू डू. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व एवरीथिंग फॉर यू गाइस, and I'll just solve this much so that you guys have something to do as well at home. Okay, so I hope you guys got something out of the video. You were getting help in the video, and you can do your homework now and try understanding the other questions as well. Thank you guys, have a good day.